Hi, today we are going to crochet a top which will become the basis for several new designs. Start from a foundation row and crochet 25 DCs. First row start with 2 chains, turn, HDC in the first stitch, make it for a straight edge without holes. HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. Make 2 HDC in the last stitch. Second row start with 2 chains, turn, HDC in the first stitch, HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. Repeat the first and second row 15 times until you reach 33 rows or 41 HDC. When you crochet 41 HDC, start decreasing. Row 34 start with chain 2, turn, HDC in the first stitch, HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. In the end of the row, crochet 2 HDC together in the last 2 stitches. Next row, chain 2, turn, HDC in the first stitch and an HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. I repeat 34 and 35 rows 7 times until you reach 39 rows or 33 HDC. When you crochet 33 HDC, start increasing. 15th row, chain 2, turn, HDC in the first stitch, HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. Two HDC in the last stitch. First row, start with chain 2, turn, and HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. Increase the top until you reach 65 rows or 41 HDC. When you crochet 41 HDC, start decreasing again. 66 row, start with chain 2, turn, HDC in the first stitch, HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. In the end of the row, crochet 2 HDC together in the last 2 stitches. 67th row, start with chain 2, turn, HDC in the first stitch, HDC in each stitch to the end of the row. Repeat 66 and 67 rows 15 times. Decrease the top until you reach 98 rows or 25 HDC. When you crochet 25 HDC, start crocheting without increasing and decreasing 35 rows or as many rows as you need. The number of rows depend on your size. Join with slip stitch through the back loop only. Then make a row of single crochet around the bottom part of the top and make a row of single crochet around the top part of the top. mark the places for shoulder straps. I skipped 2 single crochet from the upper part of the top and crochet 5 single crochet. I made 88 rows. Join with slip stitch to the opposite side. Make the second shoulder strap. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.